subscribe to our YouTube channel, and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Oppo launched its new A-series phone in India called Oppo A79, with 5G support. Now let's see the specifications of this smartphone. The Oppo A79 5G features a 6.72-inch Full HD Plus display, with up to 90 Hz refresh rate and up to 680 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 6020 chipset, paired with Mali G57MC2 GPU. As per the storage, the smartphone packs with 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM, that can be extended up to another 8GB by using internal storage, and it has 128GB of UFS 2.2 storage, with microSD expansion support. In terms of optics, the Oppo A79 5G sports a dual camera setup on the rear, that includes a 50-megapixel main camera, with f1.8 aperture, and a 2-megapixel portrait lens, with f2.4 aperture. For selfies, it has 8-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center, with f2.0 aperture. The device comes equipped by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 33 watts SuperVOOC fast charging support, and it runs on Android 13, based on ColorOS 13.1 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IPX4 certified for splash resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 165.6 by 76 by 8 mm, and it weighs around 193 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Oppo A79 5G has been priced in India at 19,999 Indian rupees, and it is now available for purchase in the country in glowing green and mystery black color options. So, what do you guys think of this Oppo A79 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below. And stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.